Hey guys, with crypto markets dipping every day lower and lower, my full focus is on Polymarkets and prediction markets. That's why today we're talking about how to actually beat them, not by being a better trader, but by actually picking the right platform, doing the right research, finding insiders, profitable traders, and basically getting some edge, and then automatically to copy these profitable traders to get the same results. And as usual, this video is not a financial advice, it's purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So as I mentioned, we are talking about prediction markets and how to actually find and copy profitable traders, insiders, and of course, how to beat the markets just by being at the right place and copying the right wallet and the right insider. And now with the World Cup, with lots of different politics, lots of different movements, IPOs like SpaceX, there's so many different events and so many different opportunities. I believe we need to lock in and take action. So today we're talking about a platform called Polycop. If you've been into copy trading, into Polymarket bots, you probably know this bot because right now they are the leading platform. They are one of the fastest, if not the fastest. Also, they have the best research tools. And of course, you can use it on your phone because they have the Telegram integration. So first of all, if you jump into the main page, also you can find all the links in the description because I'll explain you how to sign up, how to copy trade, how to do everything in today's video. So as mentioned in the beginning, first of all, with copy trading, you have to do lots of research, lots of checking of the data, and only then you copy these trades because otherwise you are just gambling. So first of all, once you're on the Polycop website, we have this smart trader button. This is where you can find all the different smart or traders or like profitable traders or insiders. And you can actually filter them by different categories. Politics, which is a huge one, lots of insiders, lots of really good alpha. Sports, I think less insiders, but more people who actually analyze the sports and do pretty good decisions. You can see total panel 20K, like 30K, 200K. Crypto culture, mentions, weather, economics, tech, and finance. So all the same categories we have on the Polymarkets. Next up, you can have the button copy trade. This is where you can actually back test all the different traders. And I think this is pretty unique to Polycop. You can actually back test these wallets. Again, you get so much data before you do any decisions, before you do any trades, before you copy anything. And of course, this gives you an edge because you're not trading blindly. You're actually checking the data, you're checking the track record, and only when everything checks out, the trader has good track record, the trader is still active, the amounts make sense, the niche makes sense, then you can start copying. So with back testing, it's pretty simple. You can see the target wallet address. You put in the initial capital, run simulated copy, and you get all the different data. Again, lots of data if you're into this. If not, I recommend you to actually do some screenshots and ask AI to actually explain all this data in simple terms. This is the best way to actually learn. Also, we have smart markets. Again, you can check out all the different markets, the recent markets, for example, Netflix stock price, Bitcoin dip, which are ending soon by volume. So lots of different categories, lots of smart wallets. You can test out these wallets, and also World Cup, which is a huge event. And there's going to be lots of action and of course, lots of money made and also maybe lost. I will talk about World Cup again later in the video because right now they have competition with a $50,000 prize, but I'll explain you later. So now let's run the bot. So if you want to run Polycop bot, you can click right here or also link in description. Of course, if you use my link, you get the best conditions and also help my channel. As I mentioned, this is a Telegram bot, but it's super easy to run. An additional bonus, you can run it on your phone, so you can actually cancel or start new copies anywhere, like in the car, in the bus, or like on holiday, underwater. So yeah, you can do it on the go. So first of all, what's really cool and what's really unique, we have this button user. So you can actually check out how much money users of Polycop are making, which is pretty cool and I would say motivational, and also tells you that this system could work. So if you click on user, you can click 30 days, for example. So in the 30 days, for example, this guy made almost 20,000. This guy made almost 17,000, 15,000. So I would say not a bad money just for copying the right wallets because it's a passive income. You just set up this bot and you forget it if you do it right. So let's get back to the main menu. Next up, of course, before doing any trading, we have to add some funds. So for this demo, I sent $20. The minimum I think is, the minimum is $10. So do that, click wallet. This will open your wallet and you will get all the different addresses. So you can send USDC, USDT, for example, on Polygon. This is what I did to this address. And then the money appears in your wallet ready to copy trade. So let's get back. You can also create multiple wallets if you want to organize something. But if you're a beginner, I think one wallet is more than enough. So once you did the research, once you checked out all the smart markets, you checked out the dashboard, all the different wallets, you select the category, you are ready to actually copy trade. And I think for this example, let's copy trade the guys who made money on the platform. So for example, this guy, he made $10,000 in the last 7 days. You can just click upon his wallet address. Let's open it. This will open Polymarket. You can actually check out how this guy is doing, all the different trades, what are active, what are closed, and actually lots of gaming. But yeah, for this example, let's do it. So let's copy his address. Let's go back to the bot. Let's go back. And once you're ready, click create copy trade. And you can put in what wallet do you want to copy trade. Let's click enter. And this opens copy trading dashboard. This is the place where you actually put in your settings. It's not crazy complicated, but you have to make sure you put in right settings because otherwise you can drain your wallet too quick or you can actually miss some trades. But again, with copy trading, the most important thing is selecting the right wallet. So spend the most time analyzing and doing the back test. And the second thing, which is really important, is picking the right bot because it's all about the speed. And Polycop is actually one of the fastest. For example, if we jump into socials, they have 0 block buys, which means 0-second latency execution, which means you're copying as fast as possible. So for example, if you're copying some wallet, it gives a signal and your wallet is trying to buy next. But of course, with good wallets, with good insider wallets, there's plenty of people trying to copy the same wallet. And this is why the fastest bot matter because after original wallet buys, if you buy first, other people buy under that. And of course, this pumps the price. And the same goes with sale. When the original wallet sells, all the other guys also want to sell. And who sells the quickest makes the biggest profit. That's why with the fastest bot, you buy first, you sell first, and you make the most profit. Again, this is really important. That's why I'm doing lots of these bot videos because you have to select bots. So when you're ready, you have the wallet. Next thing, you can actually input the percentage you want to copy. So this means how much of the position this wallet is buying you want to copy. So if the guy is buying like for $1,000 and you're copying 100%, you will also buy the same amount. So I would put it way lower. Let's go 10%. And actually later you can set up the exact amount. So you just put it in the chat and now it's 10%. Next up, you can put in the slippage. I actually like my slippage lower. So I will go let's go 15, still pretty high, but let's go 15. Retry and failure. So if the buy fails, it would try again. If you want to copy one-to-one, I recommend you to have this. Next up, you can set up take profits and stop losses. Basically, if the position you bought reaches this price, you just take the profit. For example, if I put in 20%, if the trade goes by 20% up, you will sell the position and just take the profit without waiting for the original wallet. And stop loss, if the position goes wrong and it goes down, for example, again, 20%, if you put in 20%, you will sell the position at 20% loss and just take the loss because sometimes these wallets are waiting too long. So yeah, you can put in your own risk levels. Next up, if we're talking about more important settings, we have this. You can put in the total spend limit. So this is where you put in how much of your money you want to play with this trading bot on this wallet. So if your total budget is $100 overall, just put in $100. And on that, you can put in your minimums and maximum. For example, if you want to just copy $20 each trade this wallet does, just put in max per trade, $20. And if the guy even buys like $10,000, you will only buy $20. And the same goes for the minimum. For example, if you find some good trader, but he's trading really, really low, so you want to trade even more than him, so you can actually put in the minimum trade is bigger. So yeah, again, these are really great safety triggers. If you have more money in the wallet, you will not burn it. So let's put in, I don't know, 10. And let's put in max trade limit 5. I will just show like that it works. Okay, this is just a demo. Don't copy the settings. I never show my exact settings because in other videos I showed some of the settings and guys like copied it and it stopped working, or like people copying like same wallets. So these are just demos. You have to do your own personal research with these wallets. Never copy my settings. So after that, what's really important, you have to have green check marks next to copy buy and copy sell. Because for example, if you remove this check mark, you will only buy and never sell, which is not great for the trader. And then you can put in the sell slippage. Let's leave it at 30 because I'm usually really panicking about the sells. I want them to get through. And when you're ready, confirm. add copy trading task was successful. And after that, once you buy something, you're going to see all the positions right here, and all the other buttons are pretty self-explanatory. So as I mentioned, the World Cup is coming, and Polycop is doing this big competition. If you click right here, you can also learn about it. So basically, they're doing the total prize pool of $50,000. And people who trade the biggest volume will get the biggest prizes. You can find the same instructions on socials, on X. I will leave all the links. But again, guys, as I mentioned, I'm talking about these bots because this is a really big edge. You can find profitable traders, insiders, and there are plenty of insiders you can see online. There's like always someone like playing some game. And then all you have to do is just do some back testing, check out what they're actually trading. Once you're actually sure about this wallet, open the bot, go back, add some funds, and then just start copy trading. And again, you can find all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.